Suffering from cough with no relief? Maybe. You are using a wrong cough syrup. If you don't like wasting money but still need cough relief, then watch this. 1. Dry cough syrups. Suppress constant throat irritation and non-productive cough. Examples: Benadryl, L. 2. Wet or productive cough syrups. Help loosen and clear thick mucus. Examples: Ambroxol syrup, Ascoril. 3. Allergic cough syrups. Reduce cough caused by allergies. Examples: Montair-LC. 4. Ayurvedic cough syrups. Herbal ingredients for natural relief without drowsiness. Examples: Honitus coughlette. 5. Opioid-based cough syrups. Strong syrups for severe cough relief, available with prescription only. Examples: Corex, codeine mits linctus. Warning: remember, always consult a doctor before using any cough medication. It could be dangerous.